Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Take Edu for You. Today we are going to discuss about the HTML list. This is our agenda for today's video. HTML list allows the web user to group a set of related items in a particular list. We can display the items in a particular list, a list of items, or else we can say that the list of menu, like that. There are three types of lists. They are nothing but the unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. For unordered list we can use the tag ul. For ordered list we can use the tag ol, and for definition list we can use the tag dl. And some of the most important tags we are used in this list are ul, ol, li, dl, dt, dd. LI defines the list of items will placed in OL or UL. We can place the list of items by using the LI tag only. Previously have I used to tell you about the UL is nothing but the it used to define the unordered list. OL is nothing but the it is used to define an ordered list. LI is used to define a list within the ordered or unordered list. Let us consider defining list. Defining list is nothing but the description list, and this description list we can define a term for each simple term. We can define the terms by using, we can say simply, we can say that definition of an one particular heading, or definition of an one particular subtopic of an any other topic, like that. Okay, now we are moving with the ordered list. Unordered list starts with the ul tag, and each item we can start with the li tag. This list can be marked within the bullets. Those are nothing but the small black circles, small dots. And we can create the bullet list in a three flavors, like square, disc, and circles. By default, most of the web browsers traditionally uses the full disk. Traditionally it uses the full disk. And we can say that we can place the type is equal to disk or circle or anything by using that by using the type. We can display the values. This is the simple HTML program. It is used to display the values by using list of values by using the bullets or circular bullets, like that. if we place the type is equal to if we place the type is equal to disk, and we can place the values as the disk, or if we place the type is equal to square, we can get the square type of a small square type of bullets. Or if we place the circle, we can place like that the circular bullets. Okay, now we can execute this program. Wait a minute. We can execute this program. I'm opening the program too, and it's a simple list of program. See how the program is look like. This is the my first list. These are the disk bullets. These are the circular bullets. I will show the code too. Open with notepad. Simply we can write the values in the notepad. I didn't place the equal to here. Now the difference, you can see the difference of this program too. I am opening this with the browser. In web browser you can see this. Previously I didn't place the equal to type equal to value. If I place it, the type is equal to the value. I have given the disk. bullets are like this, circular bullets are like this. Okay, now we can consider the another type, that is nothing but the square type. I'm copying paste this program. Now we can go with the square bullets. Square bullets, the type equal to square. I am not changing the values here because to show the difference. Now we can execute this program. Now again, if you see this, you can differentiate the disc bullet, circular bullet and square bullets too. Okay, now we can move with the another topic in the list, that is nothing but the ordered list. Ordered list start with the OL tag and each item starts with the LI tag only. Previously we used it to display with the bullets. Now we are going with the ordered list. Ordered list is nothing but the bullet. In place of bullet, the list of items can be displayed with the numbers. By default, it takes the numbers. We can display the items with the Roman letters, either with the Roman letters, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and capital letter Roman letters, lowercase Roman letters, etc. Simply the numbered letters are the by default we can take the as numbered letters. These are the attributes we can given to the type attribute. These are the values we can given to the type attribute. In the OL tag we define the type of the list. Type is equal to 1, either 1 a, small a, Roman letter, uppercase Roman letter or lowercase Roman letter. In this way we can give the type of an HTML list. This is the simple program. If we given this program, now we can execute this program. See, HTML, I have placed the simple body of the code. In this body I have printing the first ordered list, that is nothing but the number list. This is my first order list. This is the number list. I am placing first number list BTech and MTech. I am placing in a alphabet list in MBA and MCA. Just consider this. We'll execute this program to ordered list. If we execute this program, previously we used it to go with the my first list. This is the unordered list. Here we have placed the disc, circular and square list. When we go with the ordered list, it is the number list 1, 2, 3 and so on, and alphabets list A, B, C and so on. I have placed the capital A, so that's why it's showing like that. If I consider this as the small letter, I will change this. Please watch carefully what I am whatever the changes I am considering here. Please watch carefully. Next I am typing these values and again I am copying these values. I am placing the lowercase alphabets. Lowercase alphabets list. I am placing the type as small a. Again the same list I am placing. This is the Roman letter list. Roman letters. Roman letter list. That Roman letter I have given the uppercase Roman letter. Now again I am considering the same one more list, that is nothing but the lowercase Roman letter list. Lowercase Roman letter, lowercase Roman letters list. I am placing the OL type as the small I. Let's save this program. I have given the number list I am placing that this is my first ordered list. In that ordered list, I am going to display about the numbered list, alphabet list, lowercase alphabet list, and Roman letter list, and then lowercase Roman letter list. Let us save this program, and again I am going to execute this program. See, you can see the change, whatever the change we have placed in. We have placed in the type is equal to, we have didn't place in any type here. So by default, the list is displayed as the number list. If we given the value A, capital A, type is equal to capital A, inverted quotes of capital A, it displays the capital alphabets list. And if we given the small letter A, it displays the list as list values as small a, small b, small c, and so on. And if we given the Roman letter list, it displays the Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2, and we have given the Roman letter small 1, small Roman letters, lowercase lower letters, and it displays as the small I, so sorry, 1, 2, and so on. In this way, we can execute the simple HTML program too. Let us consider the one more list, that is nothing but the definition list. Definition list is a list of items we can define the, we can describe the each term in this definition list. Each definition list starts with the DL tag. In the DL tag, we have the two more tags, that nothing but the DT tag and DD tag. DT tag describes the term. Whatever the term we are going to define, the term is placed in the DT tag. DD tag consists of the description of those terms. DD tag is nothing but it defines the name of a whatever the term we are going to define them. We are going to describe them, and the description is we can place those description in the DD tag. DD is used to display the values like that in the values like in dictionaries too. And let us consider the small program over here for the another list, definition list. This is my definition list. I am giving the only the CSC abbreviation of the CSC. I going to place the value DL. In within the DL, I am going to place the DT and DD. DT is nothing but the defining the term, defining term, and DD is nothing but the defining the description for the whatever the placed in the term. Now I am placing the CSC, and for that CSC, it's a short form of computer science and engineering. I have described the term CSC here. Let's execute this program too, guys. See, this is the heading, this is the term. For the term, it has given like computer science and engineering. Let us change that program to now. I can place the one or two more lists. How it differentiate the two previous one. Open with Notepad. Can simply write these values in the Notepad, and we can simply write the code in the Notepad and execute and save as the file name .html, and you can double click the program, then you can change the, you can display the here ECE means electronics and communication engineering. Electronics and communication engineering. Just I have placed the one more value. Let's see the output of this again. See, whatever the list we have placed in here, the subheading of the list, and then description for the term value and description for the term. Likewise, we can define the values in a definition list. In this way, we can declare the list in the websites, web browsers. It's all the most probably web browsers supports the ordered and unordered list. And in case of whatever the things we have to place, like the definition term and definition way, we can place those values like by using the defining list. Simply we can say that the for dictionaries, like, or else we can define the terms, and or else the subheadings of a simple topic, or we can place those values by using the definition list. That's all for today's topic. Thank you guys. Watch till the end, then only you can acquire the knowledge of the any one of the topic. Thank you so much. Signing off, yours Harika.